Alright folks, here we go. We're going to give this pork tenderloin a taste. Ooh, look at the juices in there. Ooh, look at them juices in there.
Juicy! Smells delish.
Oh, hell yeah, that's good.
Alright folks, this is what we're doing for y'all today. Pork tenderloin. Smoked, wrapped for the last 45 minutes. To finish out, a little barbecue sauce, a little honey, a little rub. It's excellent.
Today we are going to do some pork tenderloins. And these are all the seasonings and ingredients minus my Coke that we're going to use. We have our trusty old squirter with honey, whiskey, and Coke, some onion powder, black pepper, salt, honey hog BBQ Rub, and my secret ingredient. Okay, so I've got these really ready to put the rub on. I got all the membrane off of it and everything, so we're going to just get started and get with it. Oop, wrong side. There we go. Pete, I love rubbing my meat. It feels good. My meat. All right, now I'm through beating my meat. We'll add a little onion powder. We'll add some pepper. We'll add some salt. I am going to cook this at 235 for approximately 2 to 3 hours. In the first couple of hours, it is just going to be laying on the grill. Then I'm going to wrap it in foil and finish it out. We're going to put a little honey on it because, you know, I love my honey. Ooh, that tastes pretty good with all that seasoning. Wheel brush. All right, now then we're going to sprinkle with brown sugar. Why? Because I like brown sugar and I think it'll taste good. I don't know how much brown sugar I'm using. I'm just sprinkling. We don't measure. That's silly. We're through with that. That finger looking good. So now we will take these, we will lay them on this paper plate, and we will carry them outside, and we'll put them on a smoker. Honey, whiskey, and Coke. Go ahead and give it a squirt. Okay. Outside we go. And we're just gonna lay these puppies right there. They're not really puppies, but now then, they will sit there and smoke for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and we'll check the internal temp. Get it up to 145 is when it's done. We'll get it up to about 100, and then I will wrap it and let it finish out. All right, we're going to do a little spritz here with our whiskey and Coke mix. That'll cool the thing off. And I think I should probably find the thermostat thermometer. We'll check it and see where it's at. That down. Is that ready? Yep. It's about ready to wrap. Yep. We're ready to wrap. Alright, I'm I'm gonna get everything ready and we're gonna wrap them up. We're back. We're gonna wrap my meat. So we're just gonna pour a little barbecue sauce on here. We're gonna barbecue pork, yeah, whatever that is. We'll smother that with some barbecue sauce on both sides. Pretty good. And then, of course, you know, my secret sauce. Honey. Gotta have my honey. We're gonna glaze it with some honey. I'm only gonna do one side with the honey. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Then we're gonna wrap it. I'm gonna wrap it. We're gonna put it back on there for another probably 45 minutes to an hour maybe. And then we'll pull them off and we'll do a real official taste test. All right, going back on with the wrapped barbecue sauced and honeyed pork tenderloin. We'll be back in about 45 minutes. All right, folks, here we go. We're gonna give this this pork tenderloin a taste. Ooh, look at the juices in there. Ooh, look at them juices in there.
Juicies!
Now, I would typically let this set for, I don't know, about 10 minutes before
Do we need plastic forks?
I need a fork. Because that's gonna cut my finger, burn my finger, or something.
Watch out. I got one for each of us. We
Go-
have guests today.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. What do you think about this video stuff?
I think it's pretty cool. I like it.
What do you think about this video stuff?
Great.
Smells delish.
Oh, hell yeah, that's good. Y'all can come get you a piece and try it.
This is
She's dipping it in my sauce.
mine and Brother Bart's nephew and his woman. All right, watch out now, boy.
That's some good shit right there.
That's some.
Man, that is good. This is good. All right, y'all. Turned out really good.
For the win.
I mean, this is really, really good. Pork tenderloin. Only took about, what, a couple of hours, maybe
Yeah,
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. I'm just gonna eat it all.
Bart's good.
I'm not sure what she's doing with that knife other than scaring me.
Bart's good at cooking.
We'll see y'all next time. Be blessed, eat a lot of food, enjoy life. Bye now.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We want to hear from you. See the description below for details and helpful links to what we covered today. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when we publish new videos. Check out our website at motherofsmoke.com for the latest things we are working on. Have a blessed day and keep smoking.